It's the end of September, which means it's Christmas, which is a torture. But in biscuit world, in bakery world, it is Christmas right now. People have started shopping. They shop all through October and November easily, and December, but people do start shopping in September. So you'll see anything, any of the big channels, Etsy, Pinterest and so on, they're all pushing Christmas now, getting your Christmas materials ready. You need to change over your pictures. So you need to get all the pictures of your products that are on your website or on your socials and make them Christmassy. There's a really quick and easy way to do it. I would work as a professional photographer for years, full studio setups, all the tricks of the trade to make product look glossy and shiny and all sorts of trickery and fakery. You don't need all that. You need a phone. I use my iPhone and a few decorations from home, and you can have a whole range of very nice Christmas shots done in 2 hours, and I'll show you how I do it. I jumped into ChatGPT and asked it to make me a list of photographs for Christmas. So this is the prompt I put in. Thinking as an advertising executive, describe photographs to sell shortbread at Christmas on a website and social media. I tried the same on Bard. It came back with a generic sort of description of a couple of scenes. It wasn't really a detailed shot list like this is, but you can just Google it as well. So if you're not using even the free AI, just put in a Google search. But what you're looking for is just a list of shots, a list of pictures that you're going to take. So I take this list. It gave me a cozy Christmas scene, close-up of the shortbread, picture with Santa eating the shortbread, cookie decorating, gift-giving moments, recipe inspiration, holiday lights, and a last-minute stocking stuffer, and a wee caption for some social media. But the key thing with this is I can print that out and then take a run through the props. So first thing at once, it's a cozy Christmas scene. That sounds good. I need a decorated living room. So you're not going to decorate the whole living room. You know, I'm not putting the Christmas tree up in September. So, but I do need a few decorations. I have a little green tree. It's a little fiber optic one. I'll show you a trick for that shortly. What you can do with that. Any piece of greenery, any big clump of greenery, it can be a bush in a pot, it doesn't matter. You pop a couple of Christmas lights on it, you put it in the background, you make it blurry, and it works a treat. It implies there's a Christmas tree in the background. Plate of shortbread, I can do that. Cup of hot chocolate, no problem. Sprigs of fresh holly. I don't have any sprigs of fresh holly, but what it's looking for is something with a bit of greenery. That's fine. Let me see, close up with the shortbread. Santa, too much work in that. I don't have time to dress up as Santa and get a picture of me on the shoulder, trying to make it look like Santa was there. If you've got a white glove and a red coat with a bit of fur trim or something on it, you could fake a Santa hand coming into the bowl, something like that. Whatever you've got time for. Cookie decorating, I haven't got friends and family. They're all in work, so don't have time for that. Gift giving moments, yeah, I can wrap a box. Just grab it, I think it could be a tissue box, it doesn't matter. Stick some Christmas wrap around it. Pop it in beside your product. It looks like your gift or your product is part of a Christmas gift. Recipe inspiration, that's quite a nice idea, but I don't have time for all that. Holiday lights, that's no problem. We can put some lights and fake a few Christmas shots. Stocking stuffer, yep, I can get a couple of stockings, pop them by the fire. Okay, we're good to go. Print the list, got a few items, and quick scavenger hunt around the house. The thing to remember about all photography is people look at the bit in the middle. So it doesn't matter what's around it, it doesn't matter what it takes to get the shot. All you're doing is creating that little glimpse in the middle. So that's a fiber optic tree with a few extra lights propped up with a big art folder in the background because it's black. So here's a nice Christmassy shot, bit of snow on the window. It's a tree skirt off my tree, a wee bit of spray snow on the window outside, and my daughter trying to block out the autumn sun and the decorations with a cold hot chocolate just made up to look chocolatey, plonked on the windowsill. This is a mess, but that's the shot. There's the picture that goes on the website. Instant Christmas. Same here, there's more firelighters in there than sticks. It's just to get a decent fire going to last about 30 seconds. A couple of Christmas stockings stuffed with the same tree skirt and my chocolate box or my shortbread box plonked in the top of it. It looks Christmassy, some decorations up. The place is a mess, you'll see it in a second. There's lights and cables and bits everywhere. It's just half a dozen decorations pulled out of the roof space just to make up an instant little scene. All I want is that wee square in the middle that makes Christmas, and that's what people see. That's the bit they love. Don't torture yourself over it trying to get this perfect Christmassiness. That's a tissue box. In the middle of it, my washing machine broke down and flooded. Still all done in 2 hours. I still have to clean the kitchen. But there's the mess. But you zoom in, you crop it out, and you get just the bit you want. Wee bit of fir cones, wee bit of wrap present, your gifts. Instant Christmas.